Hello and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different and quick, but first I wanted to say thank you everyone who entered the giveaway for the Advanced Derma Roller. The winner has been selected. I've been in communication with Rejuvis, the company who hosted this giveaway with me, and they gave me a list of entrants, and there's 104 people, and I used a random number generator and 63 was chosen. And the winner's name starts with an S, but I'm still waiting for confirmation from the company to see that they emailed you and that everything's all good, and I want to make sure you don't care that I say your name on camera, so just want to let you know thank you. But if you did not win, don't worry, you still have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway currently going on, and that ends on the 31st of this month, so the last day of the month. So make sure you enter. Of course, the link will be below like usual. And today's video actually has to do with the giveaway. So I have two packages here in front of me, and these are not for me. These are actually for the winner of the giveaway, the upcoming giveaway. So I'm gonna unbox these. These are two of the prizes. There's many more. I wanted to ask you guys if you want to see every prize like in a video. Let me know in the comments below because I can show you everything, but today I'm just going to open these packages because they both came in the mail. One came today, the other one came like last week. So I'm going to show you guys these as a little sneak peek, and if you want, I can show you everything else, but let me know today. I'm actually flying to Chicago tomorrow for about a week. Today is actually my mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. And we're going to celebrate on Friday in Chicago by going to the Elton John concert, and I'm so pumped. So I'm probably going to miss some days of filming, but I'll try and get a few videos in if I can. And one of them can be the giveaway prize package because I get back the 30th, which is the day before. So yeah, let me know if you want to see everything, but I'll stop rambling and I will get unboxing. So the first thing is by Besame, and I did open the box, but just so I didn't struggle, I had to get my scissors out to get this open. Let's see. I don't even know if I opened it all the way, but I can get it out. So this is was like a limited edition lipstick set. It's all the way up here. Let's see. And this is the Disney Snow White 1937 collection 7 Dwarfs mini lipstick set. So this is what the outside of the package looks like, and then this is the back side. So each color is named after one of the 7 dwarfs, and so they all, this is what it looks like. So they were, I think at one point they're all lined up, but they're all in there. I'm not gonna open it because I don't, you know, this is the winners, but they're all in here, and you can see the color range on here. So there's like some light pinks, nude, and then there's some deeper reds. So these are mini lipsticks, and they look, yeah, they're pretty small, but I love mini makeup, so hopefully someone will enjoy this. The retail value of this is $35, I believe, and I think it is limited edition, so one of you will be getting this. And then the next thing is by ColourPop. This is what came today in the mail, so let me get this open. Cut it. This one I did not do off camera because I thought it would be easier. And this one I was super excited when I saw that this launched. First I wanted to get it for myself, and I'm like, you know what? I think this will be better for the giveaway. So package here. And this just launched at ColourPop. This is the Make-A-Wish Journey. So this is a Super Shock Shadow Foursome. And this is what it looks like. And I think this is so awesome. The proceeds for this go to Make-A-Wish Foundation. So that is super awesome. And there's 4 colors. They're an OK, DJ, Cherish, and Warrior. And these were all chosen by a 17-year-old. I think her name is Destiny. And she's awesome. You guys should check out their website. Here, I'll show you the colors. I think you should be able to see through. Let's see. Alright, so this is Warrior. It's like a blue color. I guess I'll open them. I just won't swatch or anything because this is for someone else. Beautiful blue metallic shade. So that's Warrior. And then this is OK. And each of these shadows had a meaning. So I think this one was chosen because Destiny was a child cancer patient, was like, you know, we're gonna be okay. And I think a lot of us have that kind of mantra in life, so it really helps. And I think this might be one of my favorites. Look how pretty that is. I've actually never used a ColourPop Shock Shadow. I want to, but have you guys used it? And this is DJ, which is Destiny's initials from what I saw. And this is a pretty color. Oh my gosh. It's so weird not to swatch. And then the last one is Cherish, and this is gorgeous too. I bet this will look cute with every eye color. Oh my gosh. So yeah, those are the 2 sneak peeks. So I'm gonna put these back and put them in the giveaway drawer, and I won't mess with them anymore. I just wanted to show you guys because I was super excited when I saw it came in the mail today. And I also wanted to remind you guys to enter. So I think we've got, what, like a week left from now? Yeah, so make sure you enter. There's about $300, probably more because I keep adding things, but it's about $300 in value. There's makeup like this. There's also some skincare products, and there's some fashion, like there's some scarves in there which are cute, and some other things. So I'm trying to make it like fall type colors and stuff like that, but there's a whole bunch of stuff, so I'm super excited, and I think the winner will love everything. So this is open internationally too, so check out the link below, and thank you so much for watching, and congratulations again to the winner. We will reach out to you through email, so make sure you check your email if you entered. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.